Hi friends, welcome to my channel Falcon Geeks. Today's video will discuss about introduction to Java programming language. So what is Java? Java technology is both a programming language and a platform. It is open source and free to use. So you can download from the internet and you can use it. You don't have to pay for it. It is one of the most popular programming languages in the world. Every application will use Java, be it a desktop application, web application, servers, mobile applications. In every application will use Java. It was developed by James Gosling at Sun Microsystems, and later it was acquired by the Oracle. It is easy to learn and simple to use. So in Java, the syntax are very simple. So it is very easy to learn and simple to use. It is platform independent and portable because it works on different platforms like Windows, Macs, Linux, etc. So you write the code once and run anywhere. It is secure, fast, and powerful. In Java, everything is an object, which gives a clear structure to programs and allows code to be reused. So, what is Java platform? So before that, what is a platform? A platform is a hardware or a software environment in which a program runs. So what is Java platform? So Java platform is a software only platform that runs on top of other hardware based platforms. So what are other hardware based platforms like Windows, Macs, Linux, and all, etc. So Java platform has two components. Okay, so one is um, Java Virtual Machine, which is JVM, and the other is Java Application Programming Interface. It's an API, and it's also called as a JDK and Java Development Kit. So, what is JVM? So, Java Virtual Machine. So, it is the base for the Java platform and is ported into various hardware based platforms. That means JVM is available in all the platforms like Linux, Windows, Macs, etc. So JDK is a large collection of ready-made software components. So the Java application programming interface, it's a collection of ready-made software components such as development and runtime tools that provide many useful capabilities. That has many classes, libraries, and all. It is grouped into libraries of related classes and interfaces. These libraries are known as packages. Okay, so this is about the JDK. So let's understand the Java execution. So in the Java programming language, the source code is written in the plain text. So you can write it in the you can write it in the notepad also, but you have to give the extension .java. Okay, then these source code are then compiled into class files. Okay, so by the Java C compiler, I mean like by the compiler. A class file does not contain code that is native to your processor. So it will instead contains byte codes, zeros and ones, the mission language of the JVM. Okay, so after that, the Java launches tool that runs application with an instance of the Java virtual machine. That means, as I've told you, it's a portable, right? Platform independent. So whatever the code that you write it, let's say you return the code in the Windows platform, okay, and then you have compiled it, and it will generate the class file, right? So that class file you can run it in the Linux, you can run it in the Mac, any other platforms, because JVM will understand it, interpret it, and it will execute in your platform. So this is the execution flow here. Thanks for watching.